The sum of additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 6 is. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse means that number which when added to the original number, the answer is 0. Means if the original number is minus 5, then what should be added to minus 5 so that the answer is 0? That is plus 5. If the original number is 14, what should be added to it so that the answer is 0? Minus 14. Similarly, in our case, the number is 1 by 6. So additive inverse will be minus 1 by 6, right? Now multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means that number which when multiplied with the original number, the answer is 1. So 15 multiplied by what is 1? 1 upon 15. So numerator should be 1 and denominator should be that number. But the final answer should be 1. That is the basic meaning. So multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 6 is 6. So what is the question? The sum of additive and multiplicative inverse of 1 by 6 is. Now add these two. 6 plus 1 minus 1 by 6, right? So solve this. 6 6 is 36 minus 1, 35 by 36. If the answer is 35 by 6, then stop here. If the answer is mixed fraction, then solve 6 5 is 30 plus 5 means convert it to mixed fraction. Depends on what answer is given in the